Before we get started, this is all the equipment you're gonna need to set up a board. And here we're putting the risers on so that we can get the trucks mounted on the bottom of the board. These are a unique set of risers anyway. Then we gotta screw in the nuts and bolts. Get them on there at least. And this is what it looks like when those are mounted on properly. You may have noticed the bolts are out on a longboard instead of in, which is how it would be on a skateboard. And here we're tightening on the wheels. Get the wheels on there. That's the last thing I usually take care of. Of course, you could put those on before you mount the trucks if you wanted to. Those tighten and get the last set on. And get those tightened, not too tight, but just tight enough. And this is what it looks like when it's complete.